In this example, we want to factor the numerator and factor the denominator and cancel any common factors that there are. So to factor the numerator, we have x squared minus x minus 6. So the way this works is I want to write out the factors of 6. And keep in mind that there's a negative here, which means that we want to look at the differences also. Like the difference should match the coefficient here, which is -1. So, the possible factors are 1 and 6, 2 and 3, and then that's it. So as far as subtracting these, we get 5, that doesn't work, or we get 1, that works. So this is going to factor as x with a 2, x with a 3. One of them is positive and the other is negative. Since we end up with -1, that means that the larger number has to be the negative. So it has to factor as x plus 2 times x minus 3. So let's do the same thing with x squared. Well, there is no middle term, but let's say 0x minus 4. Again, I want to do factors of 4. And again, because this is negative in front of the 4, I want to figure out their differences. So factors of 4, 1 and 4, and 2 and 2. Those are the only possible combinations. We don't need to repeat ourselves and put 4, 1. So, taking the difference, 4 minus 1, you get 3. Well, that's not what we want. We want 0. 2 minus 2, you get 0. So that works. So this guy factors as x something with 2, x something with 2. One of them has to be positive and the other one has to be negative. It doesn't really matter which one though. Okay, so now that we have these factored, I want to write out this. And we have our factored form. The numerator factors as x plus 2, x minus 3, over the denominator factors as x plus 2, x minus 2, and we have a common factor of x plus 2 in the top and the bottom, so that cancels out. So we're left with x minus 3 over x minus 2, making B our answer.